Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Lynn's Lifestyle Living. How is everyone doing this morning on this beautiful Saturday morning? I am about to make myself a nice cup of coffee here. This is how I get my day started. How do you get your day started? Now, by the time you see this video, it's probably going to be another day. And now I'm going to add some of my favorite cream, which is French vanilla. Also, I will be preparing breakfast this morning, and I will be trying my hand at pancakes. Yes, pancakes. I do not know how to make pancakes, so I am going to be in training this morning with pancakes. Just going to add a little sugar. Give it a little stir. And sometimes I like to be extra with my coffee. So I am going to add some of this Starbucks vanilla syrup. Just a little. Starbucks vanilla syrup. Going to give it another stir. And it is time to taste this coffee. So today we are having pancakes, turkey sausage, and scrambled eggs. So here you see me getting ready to prepare the sausage. This sausage is already pre-cooked, but I like to take mine and cook it on the stove just a little. You can pop them in the microwave, but I like to cook mine on the stove. So I'm just gonna put some of these sausages in the skillet and let them brown just a little. Didn't realize that package was easy to open, so I'm just gonna pull this one apart with my hands. And these are by Jimmy Dean. I picked these up from HEB. They also carry them at Walmart. Jimmy Dean turkey sausage patties. Have my eggs out here, so gonna get my eggs ready. And the pancakes probably be the last thing that I do, since I am training in making pancakes. So yeah, we're just gonna have some scrambled eggs. And you know, there's 101 ways to cook eggs. How do you guys eat your eggs? Scramble, boil, fried, over easy, over hard. You know, there are so many ways you can cook eggs. So I am just gonna scramble my eggs. I like my eggs scrambled hard. Cut this down a little, because all I really want to do is just brown them. Like I say, they are already pre-cooked, so they are really already done. Again, you can just pop them in the microwave, or you can put them in a skillet like I am doing here. Just gonna turn them over so that they can brown on the other side. Okay, and here we go with the pancakes. I just measured some pancake mix in my measuring cup here, added some water, and I'm just mixing it all up. I'm not going to butcher this name here, but these pancakes are light and fluffy. Buttermilk, just add water. Pancake mix. And I picked up this pancake mix from HEB. The hubby did give me a little lesson. He says, just let the pancakes bubble when they're cooking. Wait till they bubble and then turn them over. Do not smash them because you know I will smash them. So that was my lesson. And look at that, guys. Here's my second pancake. I'm about to turn it over. Not bad for a beginner, right? Okay, and now for the eggs. I like to cook my eggs last so that they will be fresh and hot. Give them just a little beat here. And now I will pour them in the skillet. Look at my pancakes back there, y'all. I am so proud of myself. Not bad for a beginner, huh? So let's scramble these eggs so we can get these eggs all done. And I will get ready to plate up our breakfast and get the rest of our day started once we have breakfast. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And tip for today is, remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And my eggs are almost ready here. And just like I like them, scrambled hard, here are my eggs all ready to go. So let's get this breakfast plated so we can get our day going. And here it is. Pancakes, scrambled eggs hard, turkey sausage, and I added turkey bacon.